If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Yeah. Halloween. Taliban.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something. They just spent like 2 or 3 weeks out the country. Them boys up to something, they just not just bluffing. You don't have to.
Hey class! We're gonna talk about Dalton's atomic theory.
Where's Reese and Wall?
Where are the boys?
Oh, what's up, man?
Where are they?
Yeah, let's get this scrap over.
Okay,
Oh,
come on.
Sorry, Reese, it's not safe for you.
Man, shut up, Kim Jong-un. Okay, so I'm gonna start off. You might be wondering, who is Dalton? Well, he's actually an English chemist, physicist, and meteorologist. He's pretty much best known for the his work that he put into the formation or the development of the atomic theory. He's a pretty cool guy. Just chill.
Hi, I'm John Dalton. And you probably wondering what I'm doing here in space. Actually, I myself do not know. Also, you may probably think that I look like Albert Einstein. Do not fear, this is really me, John Dalton, and this is my new look. I bet that you're here to ask me about my famous atomic theories. Of course, without atomic theories, it would have been impossible for America to reach space. Because of my ingenuity, I have created 4 atomic theories which were revolutionary during my time, making me fit with the title John Dalton the Great. By the way, that was not a joke. I hate those people who created nuclear fission and blah blah which disproved some of my theories. If not because of them, I should have been the greatest barber in the world by now. Ha 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 ha. Maybe that's the reason I was exiled here in space. Anyway, remember that my atomic theories were the stepping stones to modern chemistry. Without me, there wouldn't be chemistry. Got that? Again, thanks for your time. I hope that you could someday save me from space. Toodles.
You may be wondering what his experiments are. One experiment that he used was, for the principle of his law, was with a glass bottle and a large bowl of water, and he submerged the bottle in the water, and the water that was in the bottle was displaced, but it was not empty. It's filled with invisible hydrogen gas. Pressure on hydrogen gas can be found using a chart that lists the pressure of water vapors at different temperatures, and the scuba divers now use this to gauge how much pressure to put in their air tanks.
Are you done?
Okay, Dalton performed experiments on mixtures of gases to determine what effect properties of the individual gases had on the properties of the mixture as a whole, which came up with his whole atomic law. That's the basis.
Okay.
Yo, what up?
Today we're going to be talking about the 5 major points of Dalton's atomic theory.
And number 1, uno. What's French for 1? Un. Let's go. All matter is composed of very small particles called atoms. Number 2.
All atoms in a given element are all identical.
That was
3.
the worst explanation I've ever seen in my life. Numero 3. What's 3 in French?
Trois.
Trois. Atoms cannot be created, destroyed, or subdivided. I don't know how to do that. Give it smash your road. Go hard or go home. Alright, so number 4 right here.
Catra.
Catra. I ain't saying that. Go ahead.
In chemical reactions, atoms combine with or separate from other atoms. Are you serious right now?
Yeah. Number 5.
Sink, sank, sunk. Alright, here we go. In chemical reactions, atoms combine with each other in simple whole number ratios to form combined atoms. That is all.
You
Zachary.
go sit over here. I can't sit over here.
Where am I
Someone sit.
sitting?
Someone sit. I'm not sitting by Reese.
Why?
Because I just can't do it.
Okay, now I'm about to disprove some of those points.
Oh, so you're saying we're wrong? We got to square up or something?
Yeah.
Got my boy Wolf right behind you. He's gonna RKO you right over that couch right now.
Walk is on my side. We are 800.
Okay, what am I gonna put that on?
Okay, just go ahead and get
Lost
it.
the lap king.
Yeah, true.
I
know.
Okay, just go ahead and get over this.
Okay. Atoms actually can be broken down into smaller parts. It is possible for atoms of the same element to differ in atomic mass. And atoms can't be destroyed in a chemical reaction, but they can be destroyed in a nuclear reaction.
I feel like I should have So Dalton's theory occurred in 1803, and he kind of got the ball rolling for everything else. Like immediately after like 1800, like the late 1800s and 1900s, that's when further things were developed, like X-rays, and they discovered electrons, and just all kinds of stuff started happening right after Dalton gave out his atomic theory. And before that, it was 442 BC was the first time it thought about matter, and the second time was until 1803. So you kind of got the ball rolling. That's all I'm saying. You scoot one way or the other. One way or another. Okay, so as a conclusion, I would say that it's still relevant today because, like, Dalton really got everything going. Like, no one really talked about atoms, and he was like,
But there were some things that were wrong.
but nobody knew about atoms.
Yes.
Like,
He was the OG. He was the OG. Well,
He
He was the first one to prove that atoms exist.
true, right. He was the first one to actually have an experiment.
Yes.
Oh, come back.
No, we're just
Five,
we're talking
4,
together.
3,
I think
2,
that Dalton's the biggest one
1.
because
Everyone witness. Ashley White has just been put on hush mouth.
I think that Dalton is like the biggest one because even though Jamal said something about it, like nobody cared. Like
Yeah.
Dalton was the one.
okay.
Dalton was the one like right
Just
after
throw
people
it
started
to-
like, oh yeah, like and kept it
The
going.
democracies didn't have the resources.
True. So
Hey,
and later in time, I think Dalton killed it.
Yeah.
But Democracy was good. He just didn't have the resources.
Oh, no.
If Democracy was in the
No,
1850s,
because I went like this. Same thing.
Something.
Us two, we're just the producers behind the back of the camera. So, Coach Ed, me and Wofford want you to know that you are the real MVP, and that we know what kind of grade we're gonna make on this because we put in so much effort. Even though me and Wofford had to deal with some of these people, and y'all should know
Excuse
what
you.
I'm talking about. Ashley White.
Ashley White.
She's kind of upset because Bryce isn't here.
Oh no.
Yeah, she's been a little emotional today.
Yeah, to say the least.
Okay.
But hey, check out my boy Wofford's mixtape, What a Time to Be Alive 2, coming
It's
out
coming
in
out.
your store soon.
Soon.
I'm out.
I ain't your guys' puppet. I'm just gonna say whatever you guys want me to say. I'm done. I quit.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Cut that out.
Okay, we'll do it later.
Okay, let's
Do you know somebody had this memorized?
Yeah.
No.
Let's
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Just kind of read them off.
I'm gonna have
Just
one
look at the camera.
experiment.
Okay, let's go.
just read it off the paper. It's not gonna be that.
Okay, put your phone down. No, Reese can be on your phone while we're doing this.
You don't have to memorize it. It's like,
Are y'all ready?
Is it still videoing?
yes.
So we're gonna cut all this out and put it together?
Take one, scene
Hey, put the
two.
little thing that goes
Go.
like cut. Alright, go.
Okay.
Take 3. Just read it off the paper.
Okay.
cut that out. It's gonna be the best.
What? What part am I at?
Oh, Lord, we're starting over.
Photo bomb.
Cut that out.